welcome to my new episode of Garden Trends. So today we are shooting a new episode that's in the heart of the city of Mangalore. The previous episode I've taken you at the outskirts of Mangalore, that is Kumpala, and there I have shot a vegetable garden. After that shoot I have received lot of queries regarding the vegetable garden. Few of them I could answer, many of them I have missed. But then I'm extremely happy to receive your love, to receive so much responses to my garden show. Keep motivating me like this so that I can explore many more gardens for y'all. Before I show you where are we, subscribe to my YouTube channel, that is SPL Creations, to receive many more updates about my garden shoots. Also you can follow me on Instagram, that is Shantipriya_Lesrado. So guys, today to speak about this shoot, we are at the heart of the city of Mangalore, that is the Falni, the famous Falni, named Falni Road, Starrock Road and the Mendes Galaxy apartment. So heading towards, let's see where is the garden. I'm going towards the apartment. I think this is my first shoot where I could get an apartment. So moving forward, let's see which floor I'll be heading towards. Follow me. So moving forward, oh, there's no lift. No issues. I think walking is the best exercise to remain fit. So I'm climbing up the stairs. Let's see. It shows 32 number, but then I don't know. Yeah, third floor. I remember it's the third floor. Yes. So climbing the 3 floors, I finally reached the 32nd number. I'll be telling now. Let's see and wait. Hi ma'am. Yeah. So guys, we are at ma'am's house here. This is Dr. Kusum Desa. Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, finally I told you 1 hour back that I'll be reaching on time, but then I was just going merry-go-round, like I found 2 similar roads, but then I got confused. Finally I've reached the right place, and this is really a cute house. Very much excited to see the garden first. So can you show me your garden, ma'am?
Definitely.
Yeah,
Go.
I know viewers, even you might be interested, because I'm very privileged, also extremely excited to see this garden, because this garden has been featured in few of the articles. So really happy to go and see it live. I know you must be interested too. Let's see. Let's go and see the garden.
Please come. This is my
Oh.
little garden.
This is really amazing, ma'am. So stunning. Just like a fairy tale, you know, like beautiful hanging pots, and here it's like a crib type. Wow,
Called
ma'am.
Fairy garden.
Oh, fairy garden. Okay, yeah, with all those 2 horses, 2 little
No,
cues.
this
What is this?
This one is the fairy.
Fairy garden. Okay, then here the 2 birds, crane. Yes, I feel I'm in the Garden of Eden. Wow.
I have, this is where I spend more than 5 hours of my day.
5
here. Morning
hours in
3
a
hours,
day.
evening 2-3 hours.
Yeah.
So I'll be
Expected, ma'am, because it is so beautiful. Once you come here, you don't feel like getting back actually.
Yes.
Okay. So you have a seat here also. This
Yes.
is, you know, the seat is a little different.
Where I sit and watch the sunset, you have a beautiful
Oh,
view of
okay.
sunset from there.
Very nice. So sunsets also you can see now. Okay. So early morning you come and sit once you're
early
done with
morning
all
I do
your.
my yoga and meditation here.
Okay. Here itself.
Here it's.
Oh, okay.
And then after that I tend to the plants.
Okay.
Like I water them and
Okay.
then,
So all your morning work you do it here with the starting with the yoga.
I mean, I'm saying children for the
Okay.
plants. Good man,
Oh,
plant.
yeah,
I'm
okay.
the plant parent, I can say.
Yeah.
So I tend to them. What happens is in these urban gardens,
Okay.
I'm trying to imitate the nature. So
Okay.
whatever is available outside,
Okay.
I try to bring it here.
Here,
So
okay.
that there's a balance in ecology.
Okay.
But here what happens is, because we are in the 3rd floor,
Okay.
it's not balanced in terms of, for example, these plants tend to die, tend to get infested, or
Okay.
they die early
Okay.
because there is no balance here as
Okay.
of now.
Okay.
So if we get more butterflies, if we
Oh,
get
ho, ho.
more other insects,
yeah.
the
Okay.
healthy or better, the insects
Yeah,
will
yeah.
be good for the plant,
Okay.
then my work will be lesser.
Easier, yeah.
So now what is happening is there are a lot of aphids, there is fungus attack.
Okay.
There are so many other things. If in the normal other ground garden, if there is aphid attack, you have
Okay.
the bugs. They come and eat
Okay.
them.
Okay.
So one is good for them.
Ah, yeah,
Another
other is,
insects are the birds. So
Okay.
I have to tend to each and every plant.
Okay.
I have to see. See under the leaves.
Okay,
if there
each
is any-
leaves,
Yes,
okay,
yes.
okay.
So sometimes they look very nice on the
Okay.
periphery, but if you see down,
So
you will
then,
see that
as you say, really 5 years is actually
Yeah.
going to each plant is really difficult.
Yes.
But then, since you love plant, you're a plant lover. I think you don't understand this time goes by,
No,
right?
it's very beautiful to spend time because
Yeah.
they give so much joy.
Exactly.
When you come, every time I come,
Okay.
whether it's in the morning or in the evening, they give me so much of happiness and surprise. It's like morning, I would not have noticed a bud, but I come in the evening.
Oh, you
there's a
can
bloom
find it.
already.
Okay.
I mean, that's the
Beauty of this garden now.
So every
Yeah.
day I have surprises.
Oh.
Every day there is excitement here. So many times I have not noticed, but when my husband comes to see, he will tell
Okay.
me, "See, did you see this? Did you see that?" So
So
that's
the
how
whole
it is.
family is involved into gardening.
Yeah,
you say?
basically
Okay.
me and
Husband.
I do most.
Okay.
99%.
Okay.
1% my husband.
Okay. But that is also
But he
important.
claims,
Yeah.
See, there is some things you asked me what is special about my garden. I
Yeah,
have not
yeah,
even
yeah. I
said
just
what is
wanted
special.
to know.
But one thing special, as I told you, is I don't like to maintain a park and manicured garden.
Okay.
You know what manicured garden means? Similar plants in a line.
Okay.
You know what you see in the park
Yeah,
or
yeah,
in
yeah, true.
some of the houses you can see. All similar kind of plants. They look symmetrical and all that. I don't want all that.
Okay.
I want something what is replicated from the
Okay.
nature.
Yeah.
And also I try and experiment with leaf propagation. So what you can see, this what they normally call it as Brahma Kamala.
Okay.
It is not actually Brahma Kamala, but
it's a
popular name
lotus.
is Brahma
Lotus,
Kamala.
is it?
So this is called actually, I think I stand corrected,
Okay.
Christmas cactus.
Oh,
So
cactus,
this is only one leaf. I
Okay.
just planted one leaf.
One leaf. Okay.
Yeah, so now I'm so happy they are
Oh, oh, oh.
propagated now, and I think they are happy here. I mean,
Okay. So all this flower it to come, right? Just planted.
I
so
just
with
planted
those,
a leaf,
okay,
one
leaf,
single leaf.
and now you have got almost
yes,
5. Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
So,
So I think, ma'am, you're the better person to explain your garden, because one thing when I came to know, it looks like around almost 900 square feet of garden. So in that, if you have done it so beautifully, I think you're the right person to explain whole of your garden, ma'am.
It's not a very old one. Actually,
Okay.
20 years ago I had plants here.
Okay.
We had some problems in water, and then I gave up.
Okay.
And then my job was very busy. Lockdown, we were all tied in the house.
Okay.
During the lockdown, I put this up.
Oh, so it was
Yeah.
just the last year you're saying?
Yes.
Oh,
Then I
oh.
put this up.
Okay.
So you see, this is my
So you
bonsai.
Okay.
You
you have
find
kept
this
this
plant
support.
very common everywhere. So if you can see its bark here,
Okay.
it's actually quite old.
Okay.
This is the branch coming out.
Okay.
So very soon I'm going to cut this also, so it will start stunting the growth.
Uh-huh.
So this is my new experiment.
Okay.
Again, this is
So all these antique pieces, do you get it just for your garden, or do you use it because it's a waste or something you
no,
found
no.
it someone?
This was there in my house for a very long time.
Okay, so
Even
you
before I planned a garden. So, but I put it here so it will look. So this is called oxalis. If you see those triangle leaves.
oh yeah, this is a pretty one.
Different flowers. I'm waiting for the flowers now. So this is what do you call it? Maddu.
Ah, okay.
Every house should have it. This is called kage soppu.
Okay.
So kage soppu is
Medicinal plant.
Yeah, it's
Okay.
nutritious, very highly nutritious.
Okay.
So I don't know. And when we were children, we would pluck this. It's called we would pluck this fruit and eat.
Okay.
This fruit apparently is very good for your stomach.
Stomach pain.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, you can have. It's sweetish, little sour and sweet, and you can make put it in dal. We make chutney out of it. Yeah. Now you know the children keep searching
Yeah,
for
yeah.
this.
This
We
fruit,
were children
yeah.
were searching for this a lot.
So this leaves are used for chutney.
Chutney
and the
we
fruit
make
is
kambli
for
and we
okay,
make so many
okay.
other dishes
So
out.
the whole plant is
Yeah,
important.
it's very medicinally high. You can see here my basale. Actually, I just harvested yesterday, so very less you can see.
Green leafy. This is my favorite vegetable.
You can, I got almost 9 foot big leaf.
Oh, okay.
You can see
See,
this
there is
branch.
one small.
See this branch here.
Yeah,
They
yeah,
all produced very big leaves.
Mm-hmm.
I regretted, like I couldn't keep it. It was turning yellow, so I had harvested that. Our tondekai, we say gherkins
vegetable.
or
Okay.
ivy gourd. There are different names. So this plant gets maximum infestation. So
Okay.
every day I come to tend to this plant. I
Okay.
still am yet to get the fruits out of
Fruits,
it. I don't know
okay.
when it will come.
This
So
is a young plant then.
yeah.
Okay.
So this, everybody knows this is very good for oxygen. When I put it,
Oxygen
there was
donor.
only one. So now I have these puppies here.
Oh.
It's called puppies.
So this is oxygen generating
Yeah,
plant.
oxygen
Okay.
generating plant. So it's a good indoor
Okay.
also. This is called a purple ivy or something like that.
Okay.
This is marble pothos.
Okay.
I have many pothos means we call money plant in the
yeah,
normal
yeah.
language. So I have around.
Okay, 1 second, ma'am. What about this pot? Like you had done it, is it?
I wanted to tell you another speciality of my
Okay.
garden is
Okay.
there's a lot of DIY.
Okay.
That is do
Yeah,
yours.
yeah.
This is a DIY.
Okay.
This is all this. We order so much from out, from
Yeah, yeah,
Zomato.
yeah.
So I get these kind of containers. So what to do
Okay.
with them? I have
Okay.
2 bags full now. So I try to make planters out of it. So
Very nice, creative idea
Yeah,
actually.
I try to make most of it.
So most of them are wealth out of waste here.
yes,
We can see.
I
Okay.
am obsessed with wealth of.
Oh,
waste.
that's nice.
So this is a beautiful another hanging.
Yeah, very cute.
They grow easily, and this is my
okay.
chili plant. If you can,
Yeah, we
see.
can find
Yeah.
here 1, 2 chilies.
yeah, there are many actually.
Yes. Okay.
So this is begonia, one type. There are many variety actually,
Okay.
and this is my turmeric plant.
Yeah.
So you
So have you done this? What we say?
harvest not yet, but I have
okay.
harvested ginger. You can see ginger here.
Okay.
Uh,
I like the smell of this.
This is, as you see, my
Yeah.
dwarf banana.
This here. Yeah. Okay.
So I have 3 dwarf banana. One Nendra, one Elaki Balehennu,
Okay.
and another is Cavendish.
Oh, okay. So having dwarf, you get the fruit, right?
Yeah, very much.
So this is a young plant now, or have you got the fruits before?
No.
No. Okay, fine.
If you can see, it has laid a puppy. See, there is a small little one. That means it is almost ready for the
Okay.
for it to
Yeah,
come.
yeah, understood.
And I'm waiting. When it will surprise me.
Yeah.
So this here in this pot, you can see 3 kind of money
plants.
This is called neon green,
Okay.
and this is another stick. I don't know all the botanical name. So you can see them coming, the roots coming. It means it is searching for the water and
Okay.
this one. And
So
this
here
is
this
my
one?
pineapple.
Pineapple.
This is my bendi. You can see.
Oh yeah, the smaller
Yeah.
one.
This has given me many bendi. This is ready to
Oh,
harvest.
many ladies' fingers.
Many. I had one
okay.
more here.
Because this plant looks just so young and small.
Yeah,
And
I had around 5 plants, and
Okay.
only this is there. Rest have gone.
Okay.
I have planted actually. If you can see this, this is a native variety of this lady's finger. If
Okay.
you can see. So I have planted the seed, and I want to see when it will be sprouting now. So you won't find. See if you can see the size. This is different.
Yeah.
I don't think this is available in the market.
Okay.
So another speciality is I try to
Yeah,
bring
yeah.
most of the indigenous local variety of everything.
Uh-huh.
Of course, I have grafted also.
Okay.
So then here you may not have seen this. Here it's little gone now.
Okay.
If you had come last week, I had 4 to 5 what do you call gosale, ridge gourd.
Rich gourds.
ridge gourds here. So it has given me more than 12 to 15 ridge gourds in this.
Okay.
So what happens is I have to
So
place my
whatever
plants.
vegetable you all eat is from your garden
Most
itself.
of it, yeah.
Okay, so you don't go and very
Yeah.
hygienic, right?
Yeah.
Very nice.
So last time we had tomatoes in my tomato plant
Okay.
there, but that is over now season.
Uh-huh.
It gave me around maybe more than 2-3 kgs
Oh,
the
okay.
season. Now it's dying. The
Okay.
season is over. This you can see is timare
Uh-huh.
there.
Yeah.
See, they all require more. That is my coriander leaves. Now it's not there. I've harvested.
Okay.
And
So
these
here
are
we
my
have the
beautiful grafted
hibiscus.
this one.
Yeah, hibiscus. No?
Hibiscus.
Oh, so big flowers.
Yeah, it's quite
Yeah.
big. Okay, that side will go later.
Yeah.
So again,
What is this, ma'am? I can just find.
this is
stem.
called stick cactus.
Stick cactus.
We
Okay.
have forgotten our flora.
Yeah, yeah,
No,
yeah.
this stick cactus has actually almost all cactus have therapeutic value.
Okay.
They,
So what
they
is
are
the
used for
therapeutic
some
value?
medicine or the
Okay, okay.
This normally, they it gets a sap, white sap, So when you're hurt or something, you can just apply there.
Okay.
So
So,
this is
it has a
cactus.
medicinal value. But this plant also is cute to look.
Yeah, it's so
Just
beautiful. No?
decorative
Yeah,
plant.
Yeah.
Ornamental.
This is its leaf. This is how it's called.
Oh,
stick
okay.
cactus.
So this is the
This
first
is
time what
called
I'm seeing.
biryani plant.
Okay.
Can,
Oh.
you just smell,
Mm.
right?
Very nice.
So this is another thing I propagated. There was one abbaligi I
Okay.
bought.
Okay.
Out of that, from the seeds I made I think more than 20-25 of them.
Oh.
So I've given off to many. So you can see this seed.
Yeah, this
so
is
you
the seed,
can
right?
easily
Yeah.
grow them. I never expected it to grow, but they grew everywhere wherever I put. Can you
Okay.
see that tree is there and that plot?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, they cut down trees there,
Okay.
and this all the wood you see in my
Okay.
terrace is
From
there.
that, okay.
So what they have done is they cut and they've thrown it and it was wasted.
Waste, yeah.
So I hired someone
Hmm.
and got the ladders made for the
Okay,
creepers.
okay.
Can you identify this? What is this? Many will. It's a common.
No.
This is sweet potato vine.
Oh, okay.
There is
It's
sweet
a-
potato in this.
In this?
Yes, I mean
So
it's
every
yet to
time we
be.
need to- okay.
No, it is yet to mature.
Okay, it's a creeper, climber.
Yeah. This is the vine. This one you can see. This cactus.
Cactus, yeah.
This is dragon fruit.
Oh, dragon fruit. Have you
Yeah.
got the fruit?
No.
before?
I have just planted it.
Okay.
See, it's growing up. It needs full sunlight. If you can see, the problem with my area is
Okay.
this side has more sunlight than that side.
That side, okay.
So I have kept strategically plants which needs high
High
sunlight. on
sunlight, this side. Okay, okay, fine.
So here I have.
Oh, you have a
Vilsora.
rose.
Yeah, the rose has bloomed
Yay.
just for you. See.
Yeah, very cute. And my favorite color is yellow actually.
This is my red rose. The rose I was very apprehensive to plant because of the sunlight problem.
And it requires lot of care
this,
also.
She's doing so well. She's giving me flowers also.
Okay.
And this is one wild. You can see this. No? You see this variety on the roads everywhere.
Yeah.
But this is the grafted one.
Okay.
What you see on the roads is light lilac,
yeah.
greenish
Yeah.
white and all that.
Let's see that color also we find. That light
Yeah.
purple kind also.
Correct. Light pink.
Yeah.
I harvested the cauliflower also. This is the cauliflower.
Cauliflower.
Yeah,
Okay.
I got 2 cauliflower also.
So it's a young plant, baby plant. Or oh, you got 2 cauliflowers.
Yes, already
okay.
harvested. There you can see pepper vine coming up. This is actually cherry. I'm waiting for the.
Oh, cherry plant.
Yeah, this is cherry.
Not everywhere we find this cherry plants.
And all this you can see. This is the collection
Okay.
of coleus.
Uh,
These are
Crotons.
coleus leaves.
Yeah. See,
And
even there down you have kept this.
All this coconut
wood.
bark was lying there.
Okay.
Then somehow I got someone to bring it all up and cut it like this.
Yeah, you
so
have cut
can
it
be-
on diagonally. See,
Yeah,
that's
it
the
was
smallest
a big,
one.
harrowing experience to
Okay.
get work done here.
I can find something here. You're trying to do something, I suppose.
As I told you, I'm a
Yeah,
zero
yeah.
waste free. So I try to
All
make this
these are
rag
containers,
out of our
okay.
old clothes.
Oh,
And this
okay.
bed is all mess now because I want to. So here I have. I can show you the compost which is almost ready.
Oh,
It's ready now. I just have to remove
so
all
even the paper pieces,
that
no, you
paper,
need to
I asked someone to cut it into small pieces.
small pieces. Then it
Instead,
becomes
this is
a
how it
compost.
is. No, I have
Yeah,
to remove
yeah,
it and get it. So
Okay.
this is my
No,
everyday
because most
collection.
of them will not know that paper is also compost.
Correct.
Where we need to
Yeah,
do it into
correct.
small pieces.
This is my everyday this
Collection
green-
from all
yeah,
these,
yeah, I just
okay,
put it
dry
in
leaves,
this.
okay.
So all this dry leaves is another compost. You can see. This
Okay.
is today's. I'll just put it upside down. See, this is compost like this.
Uh-huh.
But normally, I'm waiting
So how
for this.
long you keep it in this pot actually?
Whenever I have to. What happens is once in a week,
Okay.
I put compost to every plant.
Okay.
So once this is open and ready,
Okay.
then I start adding, because for compost you should put wet layer, then dry one.
Dry,
So this
okay.
will help for the dry.
Okay.
And this
Ma'am, actually this garden is very beautiful
you
because
so
one thing is this is an apartment And when I just came to know about like where will the garden be, where you might have done, then when it's apartment they'll have a common terrace like, right? So I was thinking where is it? Then when I came to house also I thought maybe indoor plants. Then when I came to know here, okay, it's just stunning, ma'am. You have done actually here after coming here. I'll let you know more than the garden. I came to know even the art, DIYs, and more important is like you told you have self-learned all those things, right? So it's really nice, ma'am. What would you like to say to our viewers?
I would say that everyone should have, you know, some plants in their houses.
True.
Because that gives us a lot of learning of life. People should not get scared that if I have plants, I should care for it, tend for it. I cannot go anywhere. There are a lot of plants. If you come into my house down,
Okay.
you will see a lot of indoor plants also. They they require less care.
Okay.
Like if you, there are water plants, you just have to put them in water, and you don't have to put water every day. Some of
Okay.
it I water it only once in 15 days or once in a week. So you can begin with that, and then slowly get into, you know, different types. Again, as I told you in the beginning, I'm not much of a collector's gardener or, you know, gardeners who collect exotic plants.
Yeah.
It's not that I don't like them. I like them.
That's what I could find here, even the grafted plants were, one thing what I saw was that hibiscus, the purple violet one which we cannot find anywhere
Yeah.
actually. Even that red, the dark red color.
Yes.
Yeah, and the vegetables also which you showed, the dry one, right? Which from the native you told.
Yes,
and
yes.
even here, the middle part is really actually, you told me in the beginning itself, if you sit here and then you don't feel like going, the same feeling I'm getting right now sitting here,
Yeah,
just
I'm
feel like
also-
chit-chatting.
Yeah, I'm also a counselor. So
Okay.
normally I bring my clients here. So they
Okay.
come in a very dejected mode, like when they
Okay.
open the door and enter. The reaction is
Okay.
like, wow, they say, and then half of their tension is gone.
Gone.
So
After coming here, I got a different feeling because most of the gardens I've visited, I've seen the way they plant. It's very nice actually. But when I came here, something more I got to learn. I think more than me now, even the viewers when they see this video, obviously they'll get a lot of information, and they, as you said, they will start a garden for sure. So thank you so much, ma'am. Dear viewers, it's really very nice. I'm really feeling so peaceful sitting here. As ma'am told, all of you all should have a garden. Thank you for watching this with patience. To explore many more videos of mine, you can just subscribe to my channel, that is SPL Creations. Also, you can follow me on Instagram, Shantipriya_Lasrado. Take care, stay safe until we meet in the next video shoot. Bye.